So, here we're doing a basic Indian style masala using Caribbean seasoning used in Caribbean jerk cooking. And this first one, the ingredients include ground cayenne pepper, ground black pepper, ground bay, pimento, cinnamon, ground oregano, nutmeg, etc. The latter are quite aromatic, so take it easy with this one. The next one we're using is a thing called Portland jerk. Portland jerk has similar things in but less aromatics. It has pimento, escallion, garlic, onion, black pepper, chilli, scotch bonnet, pepper and thyme and ginger. Now this is going to be a bit different from the other ones. Of course, I'm using my regular all-purpose seasoning because I like it. And chilies. But here I'm going to do something different. As well as putting the herbs on, the chimichurri herbs, I'm putting in some yogurt. Now this makes it a bit like a cross between a tikka masala or a Jamaican goat curry. So we mix all that together nicely. When I've finished doing this, I'm going to pop it into plastic bags, getting ready for it to be cooked. But first I'm going to marinate it for about 24 hours. There you go, doesn't get better than that. There's some of the powders left over from the last two dishes. And there we go. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that beautiful? Funny enough, I haven't given a couple of ingredients I will put in because I'll do it at the last minute. When I pull these out of the oven, I'll put a drop of rum on them and a drop of lime juice. Meanwhile, there you go. A masala, which is kind of Indian style idea, combined with a Jamaican idea of rub, jerk rub, and I've mixed it with yogurt to cook tomorrow. So I'm taking these now to marinate. That's it. Looking and cooking with Mr. Al.